Before using, turn the lifting wheel counterclockwise to the highest position off the ground. Close the engine choke valve. Increase the throttle a little bit. Pull the starter rope to activate the engine. Then open the engine choke valve. When working, turn the lifting wheel clockwise close to the ground. Freely adjust the milling depth. Push the machine forward at a constant speed and in a straight line to remove the old line. You can adjust the milling depth while working according to your request.